Okay, what the hell was that intro? I'm actually. Today we're going to be going into the New Forest and Animal Company with these people I kidnapped. So yeah.
Like and subscribe, or else this will happen to you.
Yeah, you don't want that happening to you. So
also, if you don't like as well, then I will come up to your house and do this.
No. Okay, let's just go, guys.
Purple.
Yeah.
I can take her there. Oh shit. Hop on.
I have full hands.
I'm in private jet. Hop on.
I have full hands. I can't.
That noise makes me want to do this.
Okay, guys, come on. Oh shoot, it's night time.
Yeah,
guys, careful, it's night and we don't even have a fire yet.
Don't worry, I can make a fire.
Someone try and make a fire because it's night.
Okay. I can put fire on the fireplace.
Got a wood. I'm gonna put some fire on the fireplace.
Oh, stay.
Ah! Look at that. We're gonna put some fire on it. Watch. No, I lost it. My stick.
Finally.
Okay, guys,
Okay.
we have
I'll just have to use these. Okay, let's go.
Let's get some wood, guys.
Oh!
Yo, that's sweet.
Oh, son, get away from me. I got him. Unbox it. More revolver ammo. I can help you.
What the hell was
I'm
that?
very good. 1 second.
Ogre is coming. Ogre
Yes! No! Okay, I'll
Guys,
bring
careful
fire.
with the boulder. Boulder? What the hell? Boulder.
Bullseye. There's no. That's how you do it. Watch this.
Coach.
Ah!
I am
Where's the
levitating.
revolver ammo? Oh yeah, I remember where I put it.
Keep mining.
Guys, don't worry, I'll protect you.
Okay, guys, night is
You
there.
have to go back to the camp.
Armstrong killed me, revive me!
Save some wood.
This Armstrong killed me, revive me. Revive me, Armstrong killed me.
But save wood. Oh no, you already maxed.
No, this is not max. It goes way higher than this.
Armstrong, I hate you. Why are you always killing people?
I will
God, unboxing again. Shotgun ammo. I'm looking for revolver ammo.
Guys, this is not max. You can go way more than this.
I know.
I did it.
Done that. Go. Maybe we should donate somebody to the fire. Quick.
No.
Go
Me sacrificing.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice. Why it have to be me?
Oh, well.
Oh no my god.
what
no,
the-
no.
Oh my god.
Get me
Yo.
outside.
Chip. Oh, look at
Yo,
him.
boy, remember me? From middle school? No.
I don't like those whispers. I'm scared. Let's go.
Nah, they don't kill you. The whispers don't kill you.
I found the revolver ammo. I need ammo.
scared.
No. We don't care.
Is there more and more nights?
Yeah.
Wait, do the nights?
99
No,
nights.
I know, but like, do
You
the
have
nights
99 nights
actually?
to do this.
Do the nights actually get harder
go in
and
that
harder?
fire,
Does it
go in
actually
the
do that?
fire.
No.
Hey, bro, get in the fire, bro.
I need
Get
to
in the
go
fire. You're the sacrifice. Get in. You're the sacrifice. Oh,
Mr. Goblin! Hands in the air. Oh shoot.
Give me your revolver ammo.
Get the way we grab a rock. We grab a rock. We all
Guys, we've been terrorized.
Get him, get him,
Leave
get
me
him.
alone.
Let's go. Oh!
Get him.
Revolver ammo, please. What'd you get?
You boy.
Grenade.
Who needs revolver ammo? I got some.
I need it. I need
I
it.
bought some. Hey, I
don't
bought some.
trust you with a revolver.
Take this.
Shoot.
Okay, look at all
I
that.
still have.
Guys, save wood, save wood. I think this is the max we go.
No, it's not. We can go way more than this.
No, it goes way more than this. It goes to like here.
No,
I've done it
don't.
before.
It goes to
does.
the entire
I
log.
did it before. See, look.
What the fuck? Alright, you're right.
I told you.
It's not the
I don't-
tiger from Sector Canada.
I don't know how.
Oh wait, it's the sheep.
I don't know if it goes higher than this, to be honest. I don't know.
Who wants this whole fist? I only need one.
I don't think it. I don't know if it goes higher than this. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I never seen it get higher.
I don't think it does.
Yeah,
I'm not-
one time I've got it to right here. I've got it to here once.
No way. Really?
Yes. Yes. That's a lie.
That's mine, Goblin. Goblin, that's mine.
I got a grappler. Bro, I just got a grappler off a crate and an ogre.
Oh shoot! It's not
My
right.
friend got an RPG off a crate.
From the ogre.
Hey,
Bro, look at this.
bad boy.
I got a red flashlight off a crate.
Bad boy.
Oh, he's
And I
dead.
want a grappler.
Unboxing.
Sorry, take a grappler.
I only got a grapple. I only got one.
Yeah.
Yes, I got a crowbar.
Hey, bro, the one thing to say.
Who's on low health? Is anyone on low health?
Got him.
Oh, I am.
Here, I got a chicken. I killed a chicken.
Sorry, dude.
Oh wait, if
Right,
someone
trade it
gets a
with the
shotgun, if anyone gets a shotgun, I got shotgun shells.
Guys, I got chicken. I need...
Oh my god. Down. I got hit. Anyone got chicken? I got hit. Walkman hurt me.
Don't put it in the fire. Save some. Save it for later.
Save one for later.
The wood. Let me get lower.
I need that
Bro, what
chicken.
you doing, bro?
Throwing wood in the fire. That's a bad idea.
Shoot.
No, it's good.
You
More
stupid
fire
chicken.
means more safety.
No, this is going to be right now wood.
Even though more fire means less of this. No!
Yeah, we need some wood.
Anyone
there's
got any?
more.
Anyone got any chicken? I'm low in health. I'm gonna kill this one.
Okay, I have chicken on. Ah!
I killed the
help,
chicken.
Help, ogre's after me. Help. Help me. He's eating me.
Die! Oh my god, I killed him.
My body's over here, guys. My body's over here.
Someone
Chicken for
revive.
you.
Someone revive. I already healed.
Yeah, once you revive, eat the chicken and gets you at full health. Who eat the chicken?
Hey!
Sorry.
Oh shoot. I flashbanged him. I don't think it worked though. What? Leave me alone! Oh my god, he's sprinting, run! Leave me alone, Walkman.
Extra wood.
I forgot I had this. Oh shoot. Oh hi there, mister. Bye bye.
Help me!
used all my bullets. I need to. Oh, how am I supposed to wait. Okay.
I definitely do not have a spare ogre hand in there. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Yes, you do.
Mr. Walk
No,
Monster,
I don't.
I'll kill you.
Wait, it's not PvP. Fine, I'll prove it. Oh! Yeah, you didn't see anything. Okay, you have ogre. Yeah. Ogre. Oh! Shoot. Got him. Keep the wood.
Kill him.
Can I please have
I've killed him. What is this? I got a shield. I got a shield.
Nice.
I'm putting it in the pot. It's a wooden shield. How is it not burning? Come over here, chicken. It's time for you to die.
Chicken!
Chicken!
Got him.
He's dead now. He's dead now.
Yeah, he's dead. Do you know who else is dead? The other chicken.
The chicken!
Save wood.
Wood.
If I get down and like lower, and you got lower down, you just place the wood into your. Who's hungry? Who's hungry?
I'm good on health.
Me. Okay. Go get chicken. Well, cause you broke the tree, it made it go so far.
You're out of
One second. I do have ammo. I do have ammo, actually. Behind you.
Was that what? Oh shoot!
I'll show you how to escape from the ogre.
Oh bro,
And
you
I'll show
almost
how to
died.
escape from the ogre. Oh, there's the ogre right there.
I'm not ogre.
Why is there so many rock
I'm gonna show you
monsters?
guys how to bro. Hello guys. Let me talk to your subscribers. Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to escape from the ogre. So if you want to do it, you just need to kill it.
Wow, that's some very good.
And then next, you want to unbox its flesh. And next, you want to pull out your second pair of ogre hands.
Don't trust that guy, okay? Don't trust him.
I don't trust him.
Why do you not trust me? You just need to kill the orange stuff. Boom. Boom.
It's turning night, guys.
No more.
He's throwing
What?
away. He's
You guys
throwing
don't
all
like-
the wood around. Guys, he's throwing all the wood
Yay.
away.
That's because you don't
Now
like.
you're trying to sabotage us.
That's because you don't be nice.
Die.
No, I don't.
I'll shoot you.
Okay.
I only did that because you didn't like me.
Because you said to not trust me.
I didn't. No.
You can't trust me.
No. I'm out.
You can't trust
I'm out.
me. Watch
Oh,
this.
wood. We have so much wood.
Oh, wait. I'll throw this wood in the fire. But
Don't waste all of them. Don't waste all of them.
Bro, stop.
we need more.
No, we don't.
Ow!
We
Ow,
hit
okay,
the max
okay.
level.
Stop
We hit
it.
the max
Leave
level.
it now. You know what? I'm getting rid of this then. I'm getting rid of this.
That's useful for something.
Oh,
Oh my god, the oogly boogly man.
the ogre man is after me.
I'll get him by the ankles. He's on fire. Hey, mister.
You know what? Die.
I'm trying to grab you.
Also, I can drive this guy.
Bro, you just went out the wood?
Bro, we have so much wood.
work and he has to take them off. Come on.
You're being mean to me. Ogre, get him. He's not being nice.
Hey, why do we have him in the video? Why did you kick him out? Oh no, he's not doing good.
Please.
I'll be
if you
nice,
keep
trust me. Get rid of that.
You're not being nice. You're being mean.
Where's
Shotgun!
your ghost? Oh, Taki, where's your ghost?
Wait. Oh, my
yeah.
shotgun shell's still here.
Who are you?
No, my shotgun shells are gone.
You're welcome. Guys, I'll get my full fists.
There's
Where's
so
my
many
other one? I
ammo.
want to help.
Nope, no
you have to
ammo.
get all the wood. Get all
Guys,
the
if you
wood.
find any shotgun shells from a thingy, there's a shotgun here.
Save wood, I'm saving some wood.
Yeah, save the wood.
Guys, I got my ogre hands back. It's time to... My controller died. Guys, my controller died.
Is that gonna stop you from
Good.
throwing everything away?
Watch this. But since my controller's dead, it gives me an advantage.
Oh. Any chicken left?
But since my right controller is dead, it gives me an advantage. Things explode on me. Like, I'm like...
Come back here. Finally.
Thank you very much.
It's time to eat.
Thank you very much.
Oh no, that hurts my stomach.
Like, watch
Wait,
this.
our
I
fire's
can
getting
still
so
do
much
stuff.
smaller. Oh shoot.
I just put some wood in there. Why
Why do you guys
put more
not
wood?
trust me?
Our
Why does
fire's
that guy
gone.
not trust me? The reason my ogre hand was at your face is because my controller died. See?
Oh no, our fire, it's dying.
I have to walk back and forth if I want to get the tree started. Watch this. Do it. It's too hard. I can't do
Well, this
anything.
guy lost his controller died and he did no help for us.
Yeah, I can still do stuff. See?
Yeah, you're not helping. Like the whole time. Yeah, with your two hands, you're not even doing shit.
Oh shoot, our fire's big again, that's good. That's a lot of wood.
Then Red Quest wouldn't add.
Oh shoot,
No control.
not again!
You can still do stuff. Watch this.
I need to kill another chicken.
Why do you
Chicken,
guys
come
not
over here.
trust me?
I need that. Okay, nice.
Nah.
It's turning night, everyone.
And then you know this ogre.
Hey guys.
I'm dead.
Where are you, though?
He doesn't trust his teammates. Don't revive him. He doesn't trust his teammates.
I'm the
doesn't-
medic. I fly around and
He doesn't trust me. Yeah, you.
I mean, that's understandable. That's understandable
not
why he
trust
doesn't
me?
trust you, because you threw away all the hard-earned wood.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. No, our fire's got smaller again.
Look what you're doing,
Yeah,
bro.
that's-
You found wood and waste our wood if we never this happened.
We would still full
You
wood
guys
if that never
stop
happened.
saying you don't like me.
Wait, can you kill the big monster? Can you kill the big one? Oh shoot.
No, not really.
Oh.
No, I can't. My controller's dead.
I will kill him. Hey, mister. What are you doing?
Hey, Mr.
Hey.
Woods here looking insane.
Hey, mister. Hey, mister.
We're going scum.
I touched his hand.
Be careful! Beanie!
Fuck.
No, you can't kill him. Oh wait, you can.
Nah, it don't work.
But he's not good enough. He's too weak.
The only way I can swap my the only way I can use,
Free chicken. Anyone need the chicken? Not again, you stupid monster. Now I need the chicken.
I need
I
it.
need it.
I
I'm
need
dead. I'm practically dead.
Oh wait, I don't know what my health is. I don't know what my health is.
Somebody died.
Oh, I'm half hit. I need it.
Oh, I need it. I'm gonna die.
Don't worry, you can kill another one.
I need to kill more
Thank you,
chickens.
I can't get you.
Chicken, chicken. Oh shoot. Oh god, it's blinding me.
Sorry, I can't revive you. My hands are full.
I got you.
Oh, that's a boulder.
I can't run fast without my hands.
We need to
I
revive
can't run
people.
fast. I can't run fast. Oh, they're over here.
Our Sean just killed my safety.
Bro, we need your help.
Really?
We need your
Finally.
Guys, don't worry, my controller's gonna get a new battery so I can revive. Oh,
He's not dying.
attack him. Get back.
Oh, I shot him right up the
just because
butt.
I wasted all the wood.
He's not dying.
I gotta get some chicken.
Guys, I have two now.
Oh,
I can
shoot.
help more. I can help.
Ow!
I have two now.
Help me! Help me!
Oh, wait.
Help me,
Yeah, grab a rock,
please!
grab a rock.
I'm dying.
Guys, the fire is low. The fire is very low.
Oh, the fire's so
Yeah,
low.
go get some wood.
My controller's
Everyone
getting
get wood.
recharged. My controller's getting recharged, and I'll be able to help. You guys can finally trust me.
Finally, you got it.
It's not my fault my controller dies quickly.
Wait, anyone? Is
It's not
there
my
any
fault
revolver
that my
ammo?
controller dies quickly.
Fall
Let's
around.
get some wood.
Yes, yeah, I need that. I need that. I need it.
Just oh my goodness. Guys, you can trust me now, can't you?
Oh,
Hit
shoot.
the dice.
Oh, good.
Is anyone? I need chicken, bro. I need chicken now. Bro, just die! Finally!
Thank you.
Oh, guys, get the firewood. Get it.
We need more wood.
We might be cooked.
I think this video is gonna end here.
We might be cooked, guys.
I think the video end here.
Oh no, I think we might be dead.
I'll never back out.
Oh yay! It's in the crate. Oh, another
Guys, we
arrow.
might be close.
Guys, we might be cooked.
This was very close to us.
I tried to stick an arrow into you.
you.
Didn't work well. Oh my god, he's running.
Yeah, I go stomping.
This is
Guys, fire. Okay, who is somebody?
Get wood.
Oh, I think
Get
the
wood now. Get wood now.
I think the one person with the two overhands is faulted with our wood.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come in.
Oh, that's nothing.
He's hungry
Oh
tonight,
my
guys.
God.
He's hungry tonight. Can't do anything. He's right now. He's right now.
That's scary. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shoot, we dead, guys.
Nah, he's still alive.
Might be where we have to end the video. Shoot! Oh my god, he's stomping on us.
We never back down, never what?
Oh no.
Uh-oh, oh shit.
Oh my god.
We're standing.
Shoot.
I get one, I get one now.
Uh-oh. Ah, he just stomped on me face. Why did I say it like that?
But that's a person.
Oh shoot, someone's dead.
I lost the loot. Guys!
Oh my god.
Guys, we're still alive. I think we're still alive for it.
Oh no. Guys, it might be game over.
No, we're still standing.
Oh, yes.
We made it alive!
We're alive. We did it.
Guys, we're still standing because we still keep going.
Has anybody been keeping track of the night?
Get wood now.
Everyone get wood, get wood, get wood.
What night is it, guys?
I don't know.
Has it been 99 nights? Yeah, I don't think it has, so I think it's close.
No. I think it was,
No!
I think it was 80.
Oh, why did I do that?
Get wood, why you kill me, bro?
Shoot.
Guys, everybody, my wood, quick. Wood. Don't kill enemies, just get wood.
Big. It's staying low, even if we put like in 5 pieces of wood.
It's because we don't have enough wood. Oh god, this is your fault. He's still alive. The
I think I
ogre's
know
built
whose
different.
I think I know whose fault is it.
We all know whose fault it is.
Yeah.
Oh, this is such. Oh, this isn't a log. What a tiny log. Wait, the fire's actually a little bit bigger now.
We're doing good. I think we need to keep going to the villa. Yo!
Yo.
We got a regular fire up.
Guys, the fire's getting bigger. Just in case the fire goes out, I'll put the light bulb here so we always know.
Yeah, that's good.
But I think we might be good.
You have to keep going to the video. Keep going.
We keep going. We're not done yet.
Yeah.
It's gonna make it more challenging.
The good thing is the big spooky monster only targets one person at a time.
Let's go make this challenging. Everyone
no.
only have one life. I mean, one person dies.
Guys,
Can't get back.
do we accept on that everyone only has one life? I think we have to, or this video is going to be like 10 hours long.
Yeah, we don't want to make it this thing, or you need to edit it. It's very long.
Yeah, I'm probably going to have to edit it now, and I have no idea how to get content off of my VR. I only know how to do it on my phone.
That means, does everybody have one life? That means somebody dies to ogre, also and go to the deer monster. We can't get back. And
Oh,
let's go
no.
to why we're waiting for it.
Firewood, guys, we need wood. We're not going to survive the night without it.
Yeah.
Can't see a thing while I get with my Bluetooth.
Be careful.
Oh my god! The whispering.
You get to like stay alive forever, and you're making the video. Then the next we need. I mean, everybody dies.
But as soon as all you guys could die, I also die.
Yeah.
There's no way I could survive on my own. With this,
Guys.
I can't survive on my own with this.
Yeah. I think you're almost there to
And then
ending
that
the
since
video.
everyone else will be dead, that thing will start targeting me.
I gotta get some wood, boys.
We need wood.
I wouldn't do that.
We need it. We don't have a choice. Oh no, the whispering's getting louder.
Got 2 wood. Okay, already.
I can't see where the wood is. I need that light bulb. I need that light bulb.
Bro, be careful! Be careful!
Light bulb.
No,
No.
I'm dead. I'm sorry. He
Shoot.
didn't make it.
Oh no.
Now you have to be in. You can't revive anymore. You don't have to leave. You don't need to leave the code. You just go back in and watch everybody do it. Like stay on like. These two. Wait, what's
Yes,
your YouTube
Danny?
channel name? Why? What's your YouTube channel? I mean, I'll see the video.
Play us up, by the way, guys.
Yeah, Danny? Hello? Yeah.
Play it out, play it out.
I'm doing a video right now in the nights in the forest. We are struggling a little bit. We're doing really good, but someone threw away all our wood because they said we were being mean to them. So now we're not doing very good. We only have either no fire or the smallest fire. You can join us if you want.
Oh come
They
on!
don't. I don't know, to be honest. They've got their bow and arrow and shot it all away.
Be careful, bro. You don't want to lose you.
And then when we had max fire, he started putting it all in. Yeah, it goes down, and we are struggling right now.
Hey, bro, what's
I
your
might go
YouTube
back into
channel
coal
name?
to finish this because we might die. So yeah.
Hey, bro.
Okay, so yeah, my YouTube channel name is JJVR, but I'll tell you the at because there's like millions of them. So at the end, I'll tell you the at. I'll probably like change it to my name or something.
Okay, hold on. I need to get my laptop down here to see it, or just do on the.
Wait, guys, we need wood.
Yeah, we're trying to.
Oh shoot,
Every
it's
time
turning
we
night.
We're trying. It's like nothing helping. We just upgrade it and go down like 1 second. The fire's gone.
And it's turning night.
This is no good. I think you're gonna end the video here.
I think we're
Guys,
dead.
ogre! Stay back. I can't die. I don't want to die.
How are you guys doing?
I'm desperate right now.
Guys, ogre's coming.
Oh, that barely missed me.
Bro, watch out!
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, that was so close.
we were so close ending the video.
The fire.
What happened? You died. What happened? You died. You just end the video there. You
If
died.
I died, would everyone die? Is that? I don't know.
I don't know. Well, we're gonna try it. We need wood.
one piece of wood and it ran out.
Ogre, be careful. Ogre's coming to us. Ogre's coming. Grab the wood and run!
Guys, he's after me. I must hide in the wall. Yes.
Ogre's trying to kill me right now. Guys, watch out, rock!
Look. Shoot.
We leveled up.
Oh, we did? Oh, okay, nice. Wait, guys, make sure we are stacked on chickens. That's necessary. That didn't even give me any wood.
We don't know if we're gonna make it.
Guys, we need to be stacked on chicken.
Yeah, we need wood more.
Yeah, but like, we need wood and chicken. Because chicken will be the only thing keeping us alive. And the fire.
Guys, I think we need to end the video.
Oh no! My bag. Oh my god. My bag. I'm still alive.
You didn't die.
I'm alive. I thought I died for a second. Oh my god. Anyone got any chicken?
No.
Shoot. Oh, chicken here.
You died, the video ends. Everybody died, the video ends.
Oh, come here, you stupid chicken. I just need to eat you. Shoot, I need just quick. Don't care. Shoot.
Fire!
The fire's big! Oh my god.
Look at our fire, boys! I think we're still alive. I think this video is going to be 10 hours long, I think.
Oh!
You died? Who died?
No!
Who's it?
Guys!
Who's it? You're the one with the... Okay, no. I think we need to end the video now.
I just
You can't
died.
rewind to the
He spawned on me.
video end.
I had so much wood
video
in my
end.
bag.
Bro, now the video ends and then you died. The video
I mean, it
ends.
doesn't necessarily need to end.
We don't want to make it 10 hours long.
Yeah, you're right. What should we do, guys? We end it?
Yeah, we end it here. I don't know if
Well,
we're gonna do
guys,
this long.
I hope you enjoyed. Actually, revive me so we can do the intro. Revive me so
Okay, go back. Everybody go back to the lobby.
my body's over there.
Where's the lobby?
My body's over there.
Okay.
No! I have to come back, 1 sec. I'm here.
Hey,
Oh wait, do we do the outro up here?
Let's do it like. Let's do it like right here. And it's like that makes more sense a little bit.
Okay. Well, is the other guy here?
You need me to be in another video? Just join me ever you
Okay.
want and let me know you're gonna make another video then I join.
Well, everyone, thank you guys for watching. If you did, please consider subscribing because it helps. Do you have a YouTube channel by any chance?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
What's your name so they can go to you? To see you?
Not really, no, I never use it forever. I think nobody gonna.
Well,
Like every time I make video like a lot and then nobody subscribed to me. I just
That's
left
sad.
it.
But
like,
yeah, thank you
I
guys
make-
for watching. These guys were really fun to play with, and they were actually good at the game. So make sure to subscribe if you want; it would help a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one.